Hold Alt or Shift plus Alt. Now press enter. Press enter again. Hold Shift plus click to select layers. Right click and then click rasterize layers. Timeline. Click create frame animation. Here you can set time for delay as you need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 copies for 5 layers or images. Layer eyes off as you wish. Now play and see. Now you can save. Play again for check. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel Tech Creator Joy and hit the bell button to watch my new tutorial. Thanks for watching.